In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new Reminders app that was refreshed in iPadOS that was announced this week. So as you can see, when you open it up for the first time, the look is very clean. It's broken up into different categories. There's a lot of things here that we're going to explore. So in the top left, we have a today, we have a scheduled, we have an all, we have a flag categories. We also have iCloud and local lists. Now let's say we want to add a list. You can choose to add a list either to iCloud or local. At the top right, we have a couple of different options for the list that we're currently on. We can edit it, we can do the list details or show completed. Let's go ahead and click new reminder on the bottom and get some in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and make one right now. The toolbar shows new options where you can choose the time. So let's go ahead and choose tomorrow. I'm gonna say, let's say get milk. And I made it for tomorrow. You can also choose to add a location to it. I'm gonna choose getting in the car. You also have options for adding to work, and you can even customize that too. Now let's make another reminder. This time, let's say pick up flowers. Again, here on the right toolbar, we get to choose the date. So we're gonna choose actually the location first, and we're gonna do, let's get it at work when I arrive there to remind me. Now we're gonna choose to do this weekend. And if I wanted to edit that, I can actually go into the edit button and you'll see a couple of different options here. You can add notes in here, you can add the date, and you can add priority and so on. There's a lot of different options there, which would you remember from the original app. So now we have these two reminders in here. To remove a reminder, all you do is slide to the right. You can also change the color of your reminders. So let's make this list yellow. You can also reorganize them by pressing the edit button. So now we're going to go into a different list. Let's go into scheduled. So these are the three reminders that are scheduled currently. Today there's none, but let's go back to all, and we see all the ones that are there. Flagged, I have none flagged right now, but let's go back to scheduled. So here again, you can delete them. You can also tap them to check it off that it's completed. You can also edit them here and add a flag to it, or you can even add a picture to it, which would be from either the camera, the photo library, or you can even scan a document into your reminder. So that's pretty much the new Reminders app. It is really cool and really sleek.